Dear IPMAT 2026 aspirant, if you're facing any of these problems, like are you getting a score of 120 to 115 IPM Indore mocks and getting stuck, or you're not able to clear your cutoffs by small margins in any of the sections, or not able to maximize your scores and feeling anxious about it, then stop. Hang on. The battle is not over yet. And to address all these concerns, IMS Kanpur presents IPM Finale. Now, what is this? This is a 5-day high impact workshop. And what is the purpose of these workshop? The purpose is number one, to provide last moment impetus to your prep. Number two, boost your confidence. Robust strategy to ace the IPM Indore exam. Create a high momentum and ultimately get a shortlist. And what is going to happen? So, like the similar pattern of IPM Indore, 15 short answer question, 30 MCQ and 45 VARC questions we'll be providing you. And these questions will be shared one day before in a Google Drive so that you can try solving them as a mock test. And then in the session, next day, expert will solve these questions and will provide smart approaches and techniques. Focus will be on selection of the right question and rejections of the question that you may not feel very comfortable, and how to maximize your VARC scores. What are those techniques? So all these things are going to happen in this workshop. Remember the dates: 27, 28, 29, 30th April and 1st May. The time is from morning 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And the classes and these sessions will happen in online as well as offline mode. If you are staying in Kanpur, you can come to our center and join these classes. Else, we'll be sharing you Zoom link and you can attend these sessions into online mode. So if you're really interested and want to make sure that you get shortlisted in IPM Indore, fill the Google form so that we can share the Google link of Google Drive as well as Zoom link for the online session. Is there any charge? No, not at all. Absolutely free of cost. The only thing that we look for is that you have filled the form of IPM Indore 2026. So guys, all the very best. See you in these sessions.